If you have the accountant's version of QuickBooks, or if you are logged in as the external accountant, you're going to have the new Accountant Center. We're used to having, customer centers, vendor centers, employee centers, but now you have the Accountant Center, and it's a little bit different. Of course, it's not really a list center, but let me show it to you here. So the first thing to note is you do have your tools up top here. So they've got the QuickBooks File Manager, which allows you to manage all your different QuickBooks files that are on the computer, quick access to the chart of accounts, add, edit multiple list entries, use register, make journal entries, fix sales tax, write off invoices, all these different options here in the tools. So these are quick links that the accountants could frequently use. Okay, they do have tips here as well that they're going to update frequently, and you can customize this screen to decide what you want to see here. So you can add some additional features if you want to. All right. Okay, so there's my templates because I just added that there. Now also they have the memorized reports section over here, so you can see which memorized reports you want to look at. You're looking at the accountant. If we want to look at the company memorized reports, you can see that. And then we can have quick access to the QuickBooks Statement Writer over here. Down below, this is something that looks similar to QuickBooks Online, where we have our different bank accounts when they were last reconciled, the reconciliation balance and the current balance. And it's nice because you can click on this now and it'll quickly take you to that reconciliation report screen so you can run the report again. Okay. If you don't want the Accountant Center to pop up every time you log in, you can uncheck this so that it doesn't show up every time. And then, of course, on the side over here, we have the accountant updates. So when Intuit does releases of different programs or different updates that are happening, then they'll give you the list of their most recent releases over here. And so you can quickly go in there and see what is going on in the Intuit world. So, a lot of times we get those ProAdvisor newsletters and we never get the time to read them, and then it's hard to find them sometimes. So you'll have the updates and the latest releases of things over here in the Accountant's Update screen. Okay, so the Accountant Center is really helpful for you to organize when you go into your clients' businesses or when you are taking their files and doing some review of their files. It's a great way to organize our work as accountants and bookkeepers.